When your teacher says it's time for science, do you get excited? My guess is you probably don't. You might feel similar to how Kate does about science. I just don't understand it, and it's so boring. Maybe it would help if we talk about what science really is. Science is the study of the natural world, such as the earth, plants, and the human body. It's asking questions about these things and finding the answers. For example, have you ever wondered why plants need sunlight to grow? Or what causes clouds to form? And did you know that it's because of science that we have technology and the medicine we take when we're sick? But science is much more than just guessing or saying something is true. I believe that the aliens spin the earth to make it rotate. The ideas and questions that scientists have are based off of observations, are tested, and have evidence to back them up. In fact, they're often tested several times before they're accepted as being true to make sure the results were correct. For example, there once was a scientist named Pavlov who wanted to know what caused dogs to salivate. At first, he thought the dog would salivate only while it was eating food. But then he decided to ring a bell before giving the dog its food, and found that the dog would salivate to the bell because it knew that when it heard it, it was going to get food. Do you see how Pavlov had evidence to back up his idea? So thankfully for all of us, and not just Kate, science is more than just sitting at a computer to find answers online and then writing them out in a paper. It's going out and discovering the answers for yourself. And the best part is, there are still questions to be answered, and you could be the one to answer them. All that's left to do now is to ask yourself, if I were a scientist, what questions would I want to answer?
Created using Powtoon.